Good morning. Welcome to this yoga class. This is a yoga class for healing. I'm Violeta and I will be guiding you through the class. This class is focused in our chest, opening our chest and exploring the pain that probably we are feeling. Instead of avoiding the pain or avoiding the uncomfortable emotions, we are going to explore it along the class. It's a really gentle yoga, and in the end, we are going to do some journaling. So keep your journal and a pencil or a pen close to you. So let's sit in a comfortable position. I'm sitting this way. So let's start with some breathing exercise. Inhale deeply and exhale. Through your breathing, I want you to bring your attention to this moment. Inhale, exhale. And in this moment, I want you to think about the emotion that you are experiencing. Inhale deeply, retain, and start observing which part of your body are more active or in which part of your body you are feeling that pain. Exhale. Observe the pain, how it reflects on your body. Inhale, observe, exhale. One more time, inhale. Repeat in your mind, I allowed my body to explore my feelings. I allow myself to explore any emotion I'm experiencing. Exhale. Inhale deeply. I allow myself to explore any emotion. I'm in a safe place. Exhale. In this moment, you are going to open your eyes, bring your hands up, like you want to touch the sky. And exhale, you are going to bend your elbows, bring them back, and open your chest. One more time. Inhale up. Make space in your body. Bringing your hands up and exhales one more time. Observe that part of your body that are exploring this pain. Inhale up. Exhale. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale. Now touch your shoulders and start making big circles with your elbows. So when you open your chest, you will inhale. And when you bring your elbows to the front, you will exhale. Inhale, exhale. Feel how your body is feeling all this movement. Don't forget the breathing. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now, release your hands. We are going to bring one hand up and start stretching all the lateral. Feel your muscles. Exhale. Inhale, come back. The other hand, exhale. Again, be conscious of your body, of all the emotions that are running through your body. Inhale, come back. Other hand, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Few more times. Inhale, exhale. Last one. Inhale, exhale. And from here, we are going to do some torsion, twisting your body from here. Inhale. I will twist And exhale. Look back. Very good. Come back to the center gently. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Be gentle with your body. Just observe how it's feeling. Inhale, exhale. And now slowly, in this position, you will open your knees a little bit to give some space to your body. And we are going to bring our hands forward, like we want to get something in the front, but with our glutes touching our heels. Keep yourself there. You can put your forehead on the floor and allow your body to release all tensions here. Stay there. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Very good. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. This whole time I want you to be mindful about what you are feeling and in which part of your body you are feeling it. In this position, you can also take that part of your body and put a color in that emotion that you are feeling. What color does it have? Observe, stay there, take your time. Once you have the color, you slowly can come up. Place your hands on the floor, align your knees. So it should be aligned through your knee to your hips, okay? Not to the back, not to the front. It should be in the middle. So your weight should be, you should have some weight on your hands and some on your knees, yeah? So we go to cat-cow. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, close your chest, push the floor, look at your belly button, feel how your back is stretching. What's the feeling that you are having through these sensations? Inhale, open your chest. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. A few more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Push the floor, push the floor. Look at your belly button. Feel all the tension on your neck. How your neck's stretching, how your back, all the muscles are stretching, and then come back to the center. Let's do a few circles. Feel the weight passing through your hands to your knees. Yes, what's the feeling that you are having? Let's go to the other side. Inhale. Exhale. You probably could feel uncomfortable trying to giving some space to that feeling or to that emotions, or maybe you are feeling a kind of a release when you are moving your body and allowing your emotions just to flow through it. Just observe what you are feeling, okay? Keep breathing, and then now slowly we are going to sit on our heels. Sit there. We are going to come up and let's do few exercises standing. And then we are going to start balancing a little bit and then just twisting our body like this. Inhale, exhale. I want you to feel that your hands are not just moving around, but you are releasing also tension through your hands when they make like this big circle around you. Inhale deeply, and now exhale. A few more times. Inhale, and exhale. Okay, so from here, Let's go to the beginning of your mat. I want you to inhale, tense your body, keep it there, and exhale, release your body, okay? One more time. Inhale deeply, tense everything, and exhale. One more time, the last one. Inhale, tense your body, tense your abs, glutes, legs, arms, everything. Feel and exhale. Feel how you release all the tension, stress, anxiety, pain. Shake your body. Now we are going to inhale. Bring your hands up and exhale, elbows back, open your chest. One more time. Inhale, up, 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 up. Exhale, open your chest, elbows back. Inhale, up. Stay up, up, up. But here, what you're going to do is bring your hips back. We are doing a flexion here and bringing our hands down, Uttanasana, okay? Release your body. If you can't get here, you can also use your hands and support your weight on your legs. And then little by little, you can just let your body release. Stay there. Feel how your posterior part of your legs are all extending. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. We can start bending one leg and extending the other one, like we are doing a bicycle here. Slowly, in whatever is your level, could be also here, okay? Should be gentle. Allow your body to release all the tension from the stress, from the anxiety, from the pain, from the sadness that we are experiencing. Okay. And then slowly from here, we are going to come up very slowly. The last part of our body that gets up is our head, okay? Slowly, slowly, slowly. Now open your legs and we are going to a deep squat. Inhale and deep squat. Whatever is your level, from here I'm going just to sit and we go to Shavasana. Open your legs, release the tension, palms of your hands, look into the sky. Inhale deeply. Exhale. One more time. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Allow your body to release all the tension. In the beginning, we identify where we feel that emotion, the color that it has. So now let's check again our body. Inhale. How is the intensity of the pain or of the emotion that you are experiencing? Exhale. Observe if it is the same that in the beginning. Observe if the color of your emotion has changed. Observe your experience, giving space to that emotion. Inhale deeply. And now exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the weight of your body touching the floor. Stay there. And now slowly we are going to sit. You can bend your knees and then start sitting gently. This was a really short class, but once we are finishing, we don't have that much time here right now, but I will give you 2 prompts that you can start working on your journal. So the first one is tell me everything about that emotion that you are feeling. So through the practice, we could explore the color, in which part of my body I'm experiencing that emotion or feeling, and how it felt through the class. So write down everything, every detail. And the last question is, if your pain were a person, what would it say to you? Write everything down and then let's reflect about it. Remember, if you want to be part of the live classes, I will let all the links down. In this channel, I'm sharing this kind of classes, but also my life and my own process in life, discovering myself and healing from pain or uncomfortable emotions or uncomfortable situations. So thank you for being here. I hope this was helpful for you. And then I see you in the next class.